Describe it.
It's a very large mock Tudor, all black and white with stone foundation, half stone and half timbered either end. Lots of big bay windows, all leaded glass, all the original glasswork from the 1929 construction. All the black timbering, the intricate mouldings and bespoke gargoyles, all hand carved all across the frontage and in the bays and eaves.
Lovely. What kind of gargoyles have you got there? Can you look at one and tell me what it looks like?
Each one is individual. There's a lady with a mermaid tail. We've got a moustache gentleman with a bunch of grapes beneath him. Another lady sticking her tongue out at me. And,
let's hope they're great.
as a name would imply, there's some horses.
Now, there's a little bit of wind, so will you go inside the pub?
I will do.
And I'll join you again inside. Find a couple of locals for me whilst we meet Professor David Starkey, the famous historian who knows a lot about the Tudors. Hello, Professor Starkey.
Hello.
Now, we know you love the Tudors. Where do you stand on mock Tudor?
Generally hated. What you didn't get from the public there was the real road noise. It wasn't just wind, it was road noise. These things are wonderfully described by the great architectural, sort of cartoonist historian Osbert Lancaster as bypass Tudor or stockbroker Tudor. The recreation of suburbs, the creation of the 20s and 30s and the transport revolution, which enabled people to pretend they were living in the country. This is all pretend stuff. We're pretending it's an ancient pub, a kind of Geoffrey Chaucer pub, which presumably are his clients Geoffrey Chaucer people. What do? Do they wear codpiece? We should be really quizzing them on this. But it's an extraordinary movement, and it's not only in England. It spreads to America. There is a Tudor city in New York in which you've got skyscrapers with twee little gargoyles on them and little bay windows on the 44th floor. You've got in Germany, there was an enormous movement of respect for the comfort of the English home, of suburbia at the very beginning, just before the First World War actually. And there are whole areas of Berlin, the Grunewald, that are filled with this stuff.
So is the problem that it's mock? It sounds very popular. Why don't you like what's popular, David Starkey?
Oh, why don't I like it very popular? Because I was brought up by a tough, radical Northern Puritan mother who said what most people think is wrong.